Hi, this is Krista at the Secret Yarnery. What's the emergency? Oh my gosh, rainbow! Next question, why is rainbow an emergency? Let me say, rainbow has been out of stock for, I want to guess, 2 years. 2 years. I even thought like maybe something's happened, like maybe it's like copyright, I don't even know, but it has been out of stock for 2 years. I got an email yesterday, oh my gosh, it's back in stock. Why am I so excited? Number one, colors. Colors. Are you serious right now? Oh my gosh, yes. Do you see this color? Oh my gosh, yes, I already had to buy it before I told you about it because it's so great. It's gonna be out of stock. Oh my gosh. Like literally, shopping cart right away. Oh my goodness, so great. Why is rainbow so great? What is it? Literally the exact same. Do I have any here to show you? No, I don't. Do I have what it's exactly the same as to show you? No, I don't. Do you want to know what it is? Yes? Red Heart Unforgettable. Red Heart Unforgettable. What? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about it. So excited about it. It is literally the exact same. I have used both, although it was about 3 years ago. And it was right when I was finding ice yarn, and before I found ice yarn, I was ordering Red Heart and Lion Brand from the States, which, as you know, gets a bit pricey, especially like, you know, if you don't have opportunity to shop in the stores on sale, which of course I don't. So it was like an investment, like each ball was like $6, and that was the cheapest I could get, and I was still super excited about it. And now that I found ice yarns, ordered from ice yarns, I didn't think it would be the exact same thing. I just thought it would be really pretty to make a shawl. So I ordered a bunch of different colors. So beautiful, literally exactly the same. Like you hold them up, you're like, it's the same thing, like the same everything, the same yarn. What else is so great about rainbow is the price. $1.99 a ball, 4 balls in a pack for $7.99. And Red Heart Unforgettable on Amazon right now is $7.91 per ball, or you can get a pack of 6 for $24 or a pack of 6 for $28 depending on the colorway. What? You get 4 balls for $7.99. Yes, there's shipping from Ice Yarn, so let's just dive into this little snippet if you don't already know. You can get 2.4 kilos of yarn delivered to your door in 48 hours via UPS, door to door, for $19.90 everywhere except Africa and Australia. If you live in Canada, you can do the same thing, just don't do express shipping. I think it's a bit less, it's $14 or something like that. And it kind of sneaks under customs usually. Not guaranteeing it, but usually no customs. The US does not have customs, as do Europe and the rest. It's totally, no duty on it, I suppose is what it's called. So $19.90 for 2.4 kgs of yarn, which is 6 packs. So you can get 6 packs of Unforgettable delivered to your door, or any other yarn, but 2.4 kilos or 6 400-gram packs of yarn for $19.90. If you have already tried ice yarns and you know that you love it, then it's 20 packs for $49.95 shipping. So the price of the yarn is ridiculously so much less because you're buying it much closer to the manufacturer. You are not buying it from a reseller. Are you getting where I'm coming from here? So that's the trick to it. What? Anyway, rainbow in stock, all the colors are there. I can barely sleep at night, I'm so excited. Which is your favorite colorway? Oh my gosh, ooh, I don't even know speechless, okay, not speechless, should be speechless. Links for Unforgettable and Rainbow, both in the description box below, so you can click on the links and compare for yourself. Legit, get on it quick. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, that's it for me. That was an emergency. I'm so glad I got it off my shoulders. I was feeling guilty not sharing with you. We'll see you in the next video. Stay hooked.